What if you could summarize any YouTube video in less than a minute? Instead of watching hours of content, you could understand the key ideas in seconds. Here's exactly how. Every day, millions of people spend hours watching educational videos. The problem isn't the content, it's that most videos are much longer than they need to be. You keep skipping through the timeline trying to find the important parts. You rewind, you fast forward, you lose focus. Before you know it, you've spent an hour just trying to find a few useful insights.
Now, I do something much smarter. I use SummarizAI, an AI-powered YouTube video summarizer that helps me understand long videos in seconds. Instead of watching everything from start to finish, I get a clear summary first and decide whether the full video is worth my time. Let me show you how it works. Open any YouTube video and click Summary. First, choose the language. You can generate summaries in English or many other languages. Next, select the focus. For example, choose Actionable if you only want practical takeaways. Then pick a persona. You can keep the default, or ask the AI to explain the video like some people. Now choose the format. I usually use list because it's easier to scan, but you can also generate FAQs. After that, select the summary length. Keep it automatic or make it shorter or more detailed, depending on your needs. You can also enable emojis, bold text, and grouped sections to make the summary much easier to read. Once everything is set, click Generate Summary. In just a few seconds, SummarizAI creates a structured AI summary of the entire video, customized exactly the way you want it. Instead of spending hours watching long videos, you immediately get the information that matters most. Now, I process far more information in less time. I spend less time searching and more time actually learning. Instead of watching everything, I only watch what truly matters. If you use YouTube to learn anything, this Google Chrome extension will save you hours every single week. Install SummarizAI for free using the link in the description and start learning smarter today.